It's your girl Nizzy Mac, and I'm back on the track. Hey. Hey macaroons, thanks for dropping by my channel. It's your girl Nizzy Mac, and I'm back on the track. I got another wig review for y'all. Yes, your girl is coming with them. I'm coming with the tea, okay? So yes, this is another wig. This one was sent to me by DyHair777 hair. Oh, DyHair777, y'all. So 777, that's the lucky number, okay? I got some tea for y'all on this good unit here, y'all. Like this is real cute, but it does got some cons and some pros on this one. So make sure that y'all are staying tuned. So I am gonna show you guys. I'm gonna do my video a little different this time. I'm gonna show y'all how I installed her and everything because yeah, it took a little bit more than I would. It took a little bit more work than normal, so I just wanted to let y'all know the tea. So I'm gonna show y'all how I achieved this look, and then we'll come back and talk about the specifics on this unit. So make sure y'all stay tuned. Y'all, so we is back. Okay, I hope y'all enjoyed that little tutorial or whatever. So let's talk about it. So like I said, this unit was sent to me by DyHair777, y'all. So let me pull out my phone and get the specifics on this unit. Is a 130 density Brazilian Italian curly lace frontal wig. This is 18 inches, you guys. So I do have a $10 off coupon, you guys. It's NM10. You have to spend over $50, but once you do that, you get your $10 off. And again, it's NM10, okay? Nizzy Mac 10, girl. Get your coin. Let's talk about this unit, y'all. So this unit, they let me pick whatever unit I wanted on the website, so I chose this one. I really have been feeling, I've been seeing this Italian curly kind of deal on other people's channels, so I wanted to try out this texture. This is my first time trying this texture. Italian curly, y'all. Like, this hair is so soft, but yet it still has that defined wave to it even after I have combed the curls out. So I really like that about this unit. Now let's talk about the specifics on here. Let me get this pulled up. So you are able to select the origin on this website. You can choose like Brazilian, Peruvian, Malaysian, Burmese, Cambodian. I think I went ahead and just chose Brazilian because I'm not sure. Like, I'm honestly not sure. I do, like I said, I do have this in 18 inches, so it is a $63 upcharge for that. Then you can choose the cap size. I believe I got this in a 23.23.5, and it's still a little bit small. The cap construction is a little bit small. I ordered a large just so that I can be able to fit this on my head, and it's still not fitting. So yeah, so basically for the unit that I have, the total on this runs to $163 for this 18 inch. And yeah, let's talk about it. The cap, this is more of like a 4x4 closure wig with lace on the ends. I am not able to get this to lay down. Like, I'm not. it kind of sucks. Yeah, I'm not able to get the whole thing to lay down. I was just able to lay down like this much, which is like a 4x4 frontal. So as far as the parting area, I have, you know, parted off the section of parting space on here, so it is about 4 inches to the back. So you do get, this is, like I said, this is basically like a 13x4 wig or whatever. So yeah, you do get 2 combs here. The combs are kind of placed a little bit weird because you have the option to kind of pull it down. Since it doesn't fit, I can like pull it down, but then that makes the hair a little bit loose. But it's still, once you pull it down, once you pull the wig down, it's not going anywhere. It's super secure. So I do like the comb placement on it. You just might have to get used to it, especially with finessing it if you have a huge head like me. Then you got a comb in the back as well as your adjustable straps, and it's just a typical wig cap construction. However, I do want to note, like I said, I'm not able to lay this unit down, which I am kind of upset about because yeah, I styled her in this little up half do. Now you guys probably noticed in the video that I did over pluck this unit. I got a little bit too pluck happy, which happens to the best of us. But an easy fix and cover up for that is to go ahead and add the color of the hair, which was black for this one, black eyeshadow powder wherever it's balding. So I did kind of jack up the middle. I was gonna do like a middle part on this unit, but I kind of like over plucked it a little bit. But that's fine. I could probably still get away with the middle part, but yeah, I was like, Now let's talk about the texture on this hair. Like I said, this is a Brazilian Italian curly. This is my first time having this kind of hair. So I did wash and condition this hair before I installed her. She was super soft out of the package, and then when I washed and installed her, she got even more softer. So I do like my hair to be combed out. I like that frizzy look, and even by doing that, she still is keeping her curl pattern. You still are able to see some definition in the hair. It's not just some like really frizzy nappy hair. Like, this is really cute texture, and as y'all can see in the back, I kind of didn't really comb it out a little bit, so y'all can still see the texture popping through in the back. But yeah, this hair is gorgeous from the root to the ends. I just was not happy with the cap construction, not being able to lay it down. But like I said, we finesse on this channel, and I showed y'all how to finesse. It's a hit or miss with this one, so let me know what y'all thinking about this one. I really like the hair on this one. Like, this is gorgeous. I really love this Italian curly. Like, I really want to try this on a different wig, a wig that I'm able to like lay and finesse. Okay, like, girl. But let me know what y'all think down below in the comments box. Is y'all feeling this one? The price range is pretty good to me, honestly. For $163 for this is popping. Okay, so let me know what y'all think down in the comments, and as always, thanks for watching.